These are the uses of which one? Buna ES rubber. Once I will check that. Auto tires, floor tiles, footwear component, cable insulating wires. So auto tires also you can write here. Don't forget any use. Each and every uses are important. Okay. So which one this is? Synthetic rubber, copolymer and elastomer. This elastomer means elastic nature is there. Okay. Now another one is Buna N rubber. See, just I am removing this S and I am putting here N. Now Buna N rubber. So how to write this polymer structure? Here S is there, means styrene. Now I want to remove this and I want to put the acrylonitrile. Carefully remember, CH2 double bond CH CN, arrow mark. This is what you call acrylonitrile. What do you call this? Is acrylonitrile. Now this pi bond shifted to here. Then what is the polymer structure here? This is well known because 4 carbons are there, 4 carbon. Next CH2, CH bond here CN, taken N. What do you call this? Is Buna N rubber. N indicating here nitrile, acrylonitrile. So both are having common monomer is butadiene. But only changing which one? Styrene nitrile. That's what it is N rubber, that is S rubber. Okay. So this is which one? Copolymer. This is which one? Copolymer. This copolymer is resistant to action of petrol, lubricating oil, organic solvent used in making oil seals and tank lining. Resistance. Now I have to remove this. Resistance to action of petrol, lubricating oils and organic solvents, therefore used in oil seals. Another which one? Tank lining. Used in oil seals and tank lining. This which one? Buna N rubber. So total how many rubbers are there? These are 3, another one natural 4. So now which is completed? Addition polymers are completed. Only addition polymers. So wherever given in your textbook, all addition polymers are completed. Next one which one? Condensation polymers. Next Roman letter 2. Roman letter 1 is addition polymer. In that homopolymers are there, copolymers are there. If you observe in this addition polymer, maximum homopolymers we observe, only 2-3 different copolymers are observed. So remember, only copolymers are which one is there? These two are there. Buna S rubber, Buna N rubber. Remaining are maximum homopolymers are there. And you have to try to write how to write the polymer structure, because which of the following is the polymer structure, they may ask me. Don't confuse. So try to learn how to write the polymer structure and their monomer name, their structure. Next one is condensation polymers. Polymerization, right? Or polymers, right? No problem. In this condensation polymer, what is required? Bi or trifunctional group required. Required, what is it? Required bi or trifunctional group is required. And in this condensation, what are the elimination is there? Smaller molecule. Eliminated smaller molecules What are that? Like water, alcohol, HCl, ammonia, etc. Like the smaller molecule will be eliminated. So this also known as which one? Step growth or chain growth polymer. In the last class I told step growth. So once again, note the condensation polymers are known as, also known as step growth polymers. You note down, in addition to polymer they are chain growth polymers. So all repeating because these words are very important. So now in that first one is polyamide. Polyamides are known as which one? Amide bond is there, mean last class I told you that you have to remember nylon. So note down, these are nylons. Okay. In that nylon, first one is what do you call? Nylon 6,6. First one example is nylon 6,6. First one example, nylon 6,6. First we will discuss about the preparation. Nylon 6 is, here there is no poly word is there, then to get the monomer name. Yes or no? Poly word is there, poly remove, then you will write the monomer name. But here poly word not there. Therefore, you have to remember their monomer name. One is NH. Actually NH2 this is. See, you can write like this also. NH2. CH2 taken 6 NH2. How many NH2 are there? 2. How many methylene are there? 6. Last class already I given this one. So this is called hexamethylene diamine. This is common name. IUPAC name. Hexane E will be present because when two groups are more than one functional group is same is there, mean E will be present. Otherwise one shortcut is there, A, E, I, O, U, Y is there, mean E removed, not there mean E will be present. So IUPAC name also sometimes they may ask. Therefore, what you can write? Hexane E is present, 1,6-diamine. How to write 1,6? Because first position 1 and this is amine present the last one. Therefore, this is straight chain. Next, this is N time taken. Here also N time. And that already I told you that adipic acid. Oh my, such good apple. Then this is OH, C double bond O, CH2 taken 4, C double bond O, OH. So if you see in your textbook, maybe temperature is again 533 something. 53? So 553 Kelvin temperature, high pressure something they may be mentioned. Okay. Now, how to write the polymer structure? Condensation polymer mean what is? The smaller molecules will be eliminated. So that I will write. See, H and OH. Water molecule eliminate? Yes or no? Here H loss mean here also which one loss? H loss with the next molecule. Here OH loss mean here also which one loss? OH loss with the next molecule. So now what are the left now? Left one right, H left, N left. You can write down also here, left side also, anywhere write no problem. Next CH2 taken 6 and NH, next C double bond O, CH2 taken 4, C double bond O bond. Now here taken N like this. Which bond is there? This is called amide bond. What do you call this is? Amide bond. Amide bond is there, mean what do you call that is? Nylon. Amide bond is there, what do you call? Nylon. How many carbons are there here? 6 carbons are there. This is present in this first monomer. Second monomer also having how many carbon? 4, 5, 6. Therefore 6, 6 is nylon 6, 6. Clear? So what is the name of another one? I forgot to write here. Adipic acid. Adipic acid. So its name also. I told that how to remember, no? Oh my, such good apple. O mean oxalic acid, then COOH. This oxalic acid formula you may be seen in your practical also. H2C2O4. In first chapter also, in first chapter somewhere it will come, oxalic acid. Now, my mean M. What you have to do? 1 CH2 extra. Remaining this COOH same. Here no CH2, here 1 CH2. Next 1 CH2 extra, next 1 CH2 extra, next 1 CH2 extra. Like this. Then how many CH2 will come here? 1 CH2 add. O no CH2. My 1 CH2. Such 2 CH2. Good 3 CH2. Apple 4 CH2. See 4 CH2s are there. Oh my, such good apple. Like this, remembering purpose these are. Okay. Now we got which one? Nylon 6. It is homopolymer or copolymer? Homopolymer or copolymer? Then write here copolymer. This is which one? Copolymer. Then uses. Used in making sheets, nylon sheets. Used in making sheets, bristle for brushes. Correct? No, toothbrush. Brush is there, no? In that, the bristles, whatever that is called, nylon. Otherwise, painting brushes also they are nylon. So I think these, and also for textile industry. Because nylon shirts, some textiles also will be there. So you may be seen in your lower section types of cloth. Polyester, that is called terylene, terrycotton, cotton, woolen, nylon, like this you may be studied that. So this is also one of the type. And next, this nylon 6 is there. Now nylon 6, second example. Nylon 6. Nylon 6. If poly is there, poly remove, we can write the monomer. Here not there. So this is, but this question asked many times in all competitive exam. Very, very, very important. This is very important. Now, this is actually come in the organic chemistry second year. That is called aldehyde ketone chapter. This is called one of the oxime. What do you call this is? Oxime. This is in presence of H2SO4, or simply they may give H plus. Then this will be formed. This undergo rearrangement. What it undergo? Rearrangement. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total carbons how many required? 6. Because here 6 is there. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It means somewhere another required. Total 5 and 6 carbons are required. Now, how many are there? 1, 2, this is corner actually. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 6 carbons are there. 1 nitrogen, 1 oxygen, 1 oxygen, 1 hydrogen, 1 hydrogen. Total same, but just rearrangement. So this is called Beckmann rearrangement. What do you call this is? Beckmann rearrangement reaction. That you will know in the organic chemistry part. Okay. This is called caprolactam. Caprolactam. If you feel it is difficult, then you can write like this also. NHC double bond. NHC double bond. Here and here CH2 taken how many? 5. See this CH2 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Caprolactam. Okay. So like this is amide. Actually which bond this is? Amide. Cyclic amides are known as lactam. Cyclic amides are known as lactam. If you don't know, side note down. Cyclic amides are known as lactam. This one. Lactam. Caprolactam this is. Okay. This equation not appear in your textbook. Okay. But this they are asking. How they will ask? A gives rise to B in presence of H plus. B undergo hydrolysis, then it gives C. C will give the polymer. What is the polymer name? That is called nylon 6. So that purpose, because this question many times asked, many times. Very, very important. Now see, caprolactam is there. NHC double bond O 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many CH2 are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This caprolactam in water. Some temperature may be mentioned how much? 533 to 543 Kelvin temperature. It undergo hydrolysis. And directly they mention, see, if it undergo hydrolysis means what is that? Already I told you, maybe in your class or second year, this side OH, this side H. Then this is coming to NH2, this is coming to COOH. Then see NH2, I want to write NH2, and this is CH2 taken how many times? 5 times. C double bond OH. This is which one? Caproic acid. Caproic acid. In your textbook maybe not given this middle step, directly given polymer. So this is called caproic acid. So if it is N time is there, if it is N time, here N given, but here not, then don't consider. If it is N time, you will get the polymer. So now how to write a polymer structure? See, this will be loss OH, this will be loss H. H and OH loss water molecule, therefore minus H2O. Then what is remaining here? Remaining right here. HNCH2 taken 5, C double bond O. This is taken N. This is called nylon 6. How many carbons are there? 6 carbons are there. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 carbon. Also known as Perlan L. Perlan L. It may be not given in a textbook. In my book it is there. That's why I am giving here Perlan L. Clear this is? So this middle step is not there maybe in your textbook. Directly from this you will get this one. So now Perlan L. And next one, its uses. It is used in tire cords. Uses. Tire cords. And some uses. Where nylon 6. Tire cord, fabrics and ropes. Clear? So these two are which one? Amides. Amides mean what is it? Nylons. Next, and these are also known as fibers. Note down, because already I told you that classification in that elastomers and fibers, thermoplastic, thermosetting. Fibers mean having hydrogen bond. So in that examples are polyamides are given and polyesters are given. So these are which one? Fibers. This is also which one? Fiber. And which one is homopolymer or copolymer? This is homopolymer. Each and everything you have to remember. These are very important. Okay. Now we completed which one? Polyamides. Next one is polyesters. Don't forget, these are fibers. Both are fiber. Next one, polyesters. Polyesters. In this polyester, the first one is pterylene. Pterylene. It also known as Dacron. Also known as Dacron. So first one is preparation. Ethylene glycol. This is you know very well. What do you call this? Is ethylene glycol. Ethylene or ethylene glycol. This is another IUP. This is common name. IUPAC name what is that? Ethane 1,2-diol. Next letter D is there. Therefore, E is not removed. AEIOUY is there removed. But here not there, therefore E will be present. So this is ethane 1,2-diol IUPAC name. This is common name. This is N time, then here plus N, OH, C double bond O, benzene, C double bond O, OH. This is called terphthalic acid. This is common name. IUPAC name is benzene. E will be present here. 1,4-dioic acid. Because next letter D is there, therefore E is not removed. Benzene 1,4-dioic acid. This is also N time. And here temperature is mentioned in the next explanation. 420 to 460 Kelvin. And some catalyst that is called zinc acetate. They given word form zinc acetate. It is, you can write this CO right side also, left side also, no problem. So this is called zinc acetate and antimony oxide, antimony trioxide. Okay, these are catalysts. Then this is how to write. Carefully observe. Here always you may be thinking that water molecule loss. Water molecule loss means here OH, here H, or here H, here OH. That is a confusion, student. But actually in organic chemistry one mechanism is there. In alcohol H only loss, not OH. That is very important. In alcohol part, this OH means alcohol. This is acid part. In acid OH loss. In alcohol H loss, that you will know in the alcohol chapter. Therefore here H, here OH, like this you have to loss. This is very important. Therefore make it underline or whatever, give the star mark. Here H only. Here H mean here also which one? H only. Here OH mean here also OH. Remaining part, right? Remaining part what is that? Bond O CH2 CH2 O. O CH2 CH2 O. Next C double bond O, and this is benzene, and next C double bond O bond, taken N, along with this NH2 also you can write. In the previous I forgot to write loss of NH2, you can write in the nylon 6,6 NH2, I forgot maybe plus NH2 in nylon 6,6. Okay, then what is the name of this one? Pteryline, or another name Dacron. Which polymer this is? Homopolymer or copolymer? Homo. No. Different monomers are there. Different monomers are there mean copolymer. Same monomer is there mean homopolymer. So this is what you call copolymer. This is which one? Copolymer. And this is which one? Fiber. Yes or no? Esters and amides are fibers. Okay. Then which functional group is there here? Ester. This part is known as ester functional group. This is ester functional group. So that's what it is called polyester also. Therefore it is called polyester. Simply we call polyester. Okay. This is polyester. So polyester is called here generally polyester. So all these words you have to remember, not easy to remember. These are practice. Now I practice many times also, one I am forgetting because of this very vast and that I am continuously teaching this part. So remember all are very important. Now uses. This uses is, I will tell first, remember what are the uses are there. This one, it is grease resistance. You may be observed that cotton cloth and polyester cloth observe. Polyester cloth also absorb the some grease and cotton also, but easily removable from the polyester than the cotton. Therefore it is grease resistance. Note down, it is a grease resistance, and used with the blending with cotton and wool. Blending mean what is that? Mixing. Blending with cotton and wool fabrics. And in helmets, safety helmets. Safety helmets. Okay, etc. In the next class we will discuss about the phenol formaldehyde resin, that is called bakelite, because that is very big.